Enjoy ya. Yeah. The sun's sinking low. Ooh yeah. Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue, grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick, tick of the clock. Say what? Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Hey! Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends retold. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat. Feel the beat. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Rolling slow past the shore, sun's on the scene. Oh yeah. Palm trees swaying, we keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Bassline bumping like you're living a dream. Bump. Bounce. Bounce. Rolling down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at. Ooh, yeah. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Say what? Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Woo. Hey, we riding real smooth. So smooth. California grooves. West side. Ooh yeah. BBQs fired up. Bring your crew. Come through. Retro vibes. It's what we do. Check it out. Beats on the track. Got us feeling real good. Talk to 'em. Talk box vibes. Bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard. Cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll